Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get infinite simoleons in The Sims Free Play for the iPad or iPhone or any iOS device. So I should have said this stuff. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to get unlimited simoleons in The Sims Free Play. And I also said this works for iOS devices. And if you don't know what iOS devices are, an example is iPad. Okay, so what you're gonna do is open Sims Free Play. And then you make your Sims plant the best crop. And that depends on your level, but for me, I strongly recommend pumpkin. Because if you plant that, you get lots of XP and that makes you level up quicker and you'll get LP faster. So that's what I recommend. But if you want to plant other things and if you have a better crop than the pumpkin, then you're welcome to try. And I have a wrong spelling. And then you make sure everyone is planting the crop. And then you exit your Sims Free Play and then go to your iPad settings, choose general time and then you go to time and date. Then you turn off the set automatically option there. Then you choose time and date again. There will be an option below when you turn off the set automatically thing. Then you set how long the crop takes to sprout. For example, if it takes 1 day, you may, I think you understand what I mean. Yeah. So now you go back to Sims Free Play, then if you followed the steps correctly, your crop should sprout. And I don't really know if this works, cause I just tried this in my house and I just used my laptop as Wi-Fi and it only has ad hoc, so yeah, if I try this, it works. And if you aren't sure, then watch other videos of this thing. They show you pictures. Well, that's it for today. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Enjoy. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.